Thank you, bro. Thanks for the sub. G'day. I'm Mighty. Welcome to the Mighty Outdoors and welcome to Ngatpang Waterfall right here in Palau. You know what they say about Palau? There is so much wow right here in Palau. Ngatpang Waterfall is one of the many beautiful waterfalls here in Palau, and it's another great reason why you should come and visit. So, without further ado, let me show you Ngatpang Waterfall and let's hop to it. Get off the couch, ditch all the chores. Let's go for an adventure in the mighty outdoors. Watch out, the gravel's a bit slippery. Alright, come down the stairs. Now it's time to cross this section of river. Now there's a rope here. And you know what, when there's a rope, I reckon it's worth grabbing onto it. It's not flowing too fast today, but you can see that's where it's come from. Beautiful. In terms of the footwear of what you can wear on this sort of a mini adventure here in the mighty outdoors, I've just got a pair of Tiva sandals. They do just fine, they hold to your feet. If you like something with a bit more support, of course, take a trail running boot or a hiking boot or whatever you like. But as long as you take your time and you don't slip, you'll be fine with even just some sandals. All right, let's keep going. To be fair, however, there are some real ankle busting looking roots out here. And welcome to the Ngatpang Waterfall. Welcome to the Ngatpang Waterfalls here in the mighty outdoors. It's such an easy, accessible place to get to. Only half an hour drive, if that, from the city of Koror. So when you come to Palau, remember, it's not all about the diving. There is so much natural beauty here that is waiting for you. So, thanks for joining me in the mighty outdoors today. Can't wait to see you next time in the mighty outdoors. Hooroo!